I'm going to tell you about sustainability and the new energy landscape in 60 seconds. Schneider Electric provides advanced sustainability solutions from CapEx to OpEx, empowering your customers to make the most of their energy as they turn climate ambition into concrete action. In today's new energy landscape, your customers increasingly consume energy from a variety of sources. Our job is to help them manage their power consumption with an easy and coherent solution. Here's a part of what that might look like. Start with our compact breakers with embedded metering or add-on power tag meters. They communicate with our Prismasec connector switchboard, which feeds information into an energy management system such as Power Monitoring Expert. And that lets an integrated advisory system deliver real-time data from your customers so that they can visualize and optimize their energy usage from multiple sources. And that's sustainability and the new energy landscape in 60 seconds.